show you how to satisfy the requirements to be able to run Dress You Up inside of Comfy Image Workshop. Let's take a look at the help page and go through it step by step. First thing to do is to install Comfy UI IP Adapter Plus from the Comfy UI Manager. Alright, time to move on to the next step. From 2 to 7, we'll download all of these models. Be careful when downloading Realistic Vision. Make sure that you're downloading the right version. So this is Realistic Vision version 6.0 B1. Make sure that it has this file name. Now we'll download the rest of the models. Alright, great. They're all downloaded. Now let's place them in their appropriate folders. Let's move Realistic Vision into the Checkpoints folder. Now we will rename these two models. The top one here was from step 3, and this one was from step 4. Now we'll place both of these files in the Clip Vision folder. Now we'll put in these two models into the IP adapter folder. If you don't have an IP adapter folder, just create one. And for the final model, we'll put it into the LoRa folder. Great, on to step 8. Follow the video instructions on installing Face ID. Now, I'm going to skip this step, but if you've got a version that's not Python 3.11, I recommend watching the video. So on step 9, we will download this wheel and we'll keep it in the downloads folder. And on to step 10, where we have to change the username here. So mine is Jorda, so whatever you have set up on your system, you'll just have to change this. And then run the command in command prompt within your root Comfy UI directory. So I'll copy this. And if you've got your downloads downloading somewhere else, you'll also have to change the directory here. We'll go into the root directory and open in terminal, paste it in. Great, that's done. Let's move on to step 11. Now we'll search for edit 1 in the app/app.py file and then update the app.config. Replace Jorda with your username. So it's similar to this step here. I recommend opening this project in Visual Studio Code. That's what I do, but for the sake of this video, I'll just edit it in Notepad++. Now, if you installed it in your root directory, all you have to do is update the username. Since my username is the same, I'm not going to change that. But I did install it inside of a subdirectory, so I'll just put that in here. And save. Great. Now that we satisfied the requirements, let's test it out. All right, it works. Now you are ready to start generating with Dress You Up.